house, so many unwanted animals are present. Yes, unwanted animals means we don't want them, but still they are staying. Is it who are they? Do you know about them? They are the mosquito, the flies. Do you know about the mosquito? Yes, it's beating us a lot. Is it? So the mosquito, the flies, the rat. See here, the different unwanted animals are there. Is it? So these kind of animals, they are not helping us. They are staying without our permission. That means we are not allowing them. We are trying to keep away from us, but still now they are residing in our home only. So the other than pet and domestic animals, there are some unwanted animals in our house. Some of these animals are spiders, mosquitoes, rats, flies and ants. I have told you, they spoil our house and cause harm. Yes, they spoil our house, not only house, our food also sometimes they harm. So what the things we have to do? Anyhow, we have to find the different kind of ways. So in this way we can keep them away from us. Is it? Otherwise, they will be here inside our house. They are also called pests. Yes, pests are also residing in our house and they are doing a lots of problem for us, just like the cockroaches. What are they doing? They come out of corners of the houses at night in search of food. Yes, if you will observe that cockroaches, they are coming out generally in the time of night, not in the day. So why are they coming? In the search of food. They have to eat also, that's why. And they spoil the food which is left uncovered. If you would keep any food uncovered on that time, it will simply spoil. So that one is also one kind of problem of us. And the thing is there, mosquitoes, all of you know about the mosquitoes. What are they doing? They are simply sucking our blood, and in this way they are spreading diseases, different diseases, just like the malaria, dengue, these kind of diseases they spread. Is it? And the spiders, what the spiders are doing? Spiders make web on the walls. Yes, and one more thing is there, spiders are very poisonous even. Very poisonous. So anyhow, if it will fall to our food, that means you should not eat the food or drink any kind of water, milk, if you will keep it uncovered and the spider would fall there, then on that time you should not drink the milk or water and the food even. Is it? Next thing, the house flies. See, they are also very problematic, unwanted animal for us because they are spreading lots of diseases surrounding us. So what are they doing actually? They are, first they are sitting on the garbage, then afterwards from there, that means from the garbage, they carry the germs, and whenever they sat on any food or any kind of places on that time, the germs they simply transferred into that place. Is it? So in this way, what are they doing? They are transferring the germs to our surrounding, and if we eat those food on that time, we fall sick. Yeah. Next, which kind of diseases it can spread? It can spread the typhoid, jaundice, the cholera, these different kind of diseases it can spread. So definitely we have to keep them away from us. How it is possible? Do you know that? How it is possible? There are different things. So first, before telling these things, see here, have a look that one meal is there, one plate of meal is there, that one is also uncovered, is it? So if you will see that the house flies are there, house flies, see here 1, 2, 3, these house flies, they are flying. That means first they sat on the garbage, and from the garbage they simply carried the different germs, and if now they are sitting, so they are spreading the germs inside our food. So we have to anyhow keep them happy. So before knowing the different process, we would do one thing, that complete the flow chart. You have to complete this flow chart in your book. Here I could complete, that means unwanted animals in my house. In your house, which unwanted animals are there? You have to see unwanted animals should not be present. We have to keep them away. So whatever is there, suppose in my house cockroaches are there, COCKROACHES, cockroaches. Is it COCKROA? This one is A, this one CHES, cockroaches. That one is one kind of unwanted animal, is it? So next, do you have any other animal? So whatever animal in your house have, you can write, no problem. But first I wrote the cockroaches, then I would write the mosquito. MOSQUITOES. The mosquitoes are also giving us lots of pain, is it? So I think mosquito is present at all of our house, because if the net is there, that means different kind of the mosquito nets we are using nowadays, so they are not listening very frequently, they are coming. And the spiders, next spiders is there, SPIDERS, and one kind of also is present there, that one is the rat. Rats are also very bad, unwanted animals. What are they doing? If any one of the rats would come inside our home, on that time they are simply doing different kind of problem, just like they are cutting our books even. Yes, they are cutting our books, they are cutting our dress, whatever they will get, they will cut and they will spoil it. So rat is also one kind of disturbing unwanted animal in our house. So whatever animal, that means unwanted animal you have in your home, you should write here. Is it clear? Next I want to tell you about the how to get rid of unwanted animals. So how can you keep them away from you? That one also you have to learn, otherwise they would come and they will cause different problem to us, is it? So first thing you have seen that the mosquitoes are there. How can you keep them away from us? That do not allow water or to stagnate them, is it? If the water will stagnate, from the stagnated water the mosquitoes can born. Yes, and around your house mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. So that means if anywhere or in surrounding your house any stagnated water is there, on that time what is going to happen? That the mosquitoes, they can breed there stagnated water. So it is not mandatory to don't keep the stagnated water inside your home. Surround your home also, it should not be present, because if the surrounding of your, just beside of your house, any stagnated water is there, so mosquito also can breed there. So from there it can very easily fly, is it? So you should always look into this fact that no stagnated water should be present inside your home and surround your home. And the thing is there, cobwebs are there, that means spiders. What the spiders are doing? Spiders make webs on wall. So these are called the cobwebs. Is it? So you have to clean them regularly. If you would clean them on that time, they won't come. Is it? So one thing also you can do that when they are coming daily, so you can spray different kind of sprays also nowadays. Different kind of pest killer sprays are available. You can spray inside your home in different places. And the thing is there, clean with this mouse trap. One thing, you can use the mouse trap to catch the mouses. Yes, it's a rats. They are very disturbing, unwanted animal in our house. And how can we get rid from the rats? That one is the use a mouse trap to catch mouse. So if you would use one mouse trap, what are they doing actually? If you would put any food item there on that time, what it do you know? It would simply go for the food, and on that time suddenly the door will be closed. Door will be closed. As a result, it is a cage like structure. Inside the cage you have to put the food, and when the rat will come inside on that time, no need to do anything. Automatically when it will move the food, so the gate will be automatically closed, and as a result of it, the rat can't go away. So in this way you can catch them and you can throw outside. And the thing is there, the sweep and mop floors. Yes, daily you should sweep the floor, otherwise different germs may be there, different dust particles may be there. So from these different dust particles, different kind of problem we may suffer. Whenever your surrounding is clean, whenever your room is clean, your house is clean, on that time the flies, they won't come. See, and if that one will be very dirty and lots of dust are there on that time, it may come, it may easily come. So that's why daily you should sweep and mop floors of the house by using the different disinfectants like the phenyl for mopping. So whenever you would mop the floor, you should use any kind of disinfecting liquid, and maybe phenyl, different kind of phenyls are available nowadays. You can use those. And the thing, the spray pesticides in the house to kill the pests, that I have told you that if you are not thinking that my house, I am not able to make them away, I am not able to chase them away. So how it is possible? If you will spray the different pest killer sprays are there, so if you will spray the pesticides, so on that way they will simply go away. And one more thing is there, nowadays this is available, that if you will use one pest killer, yes, pest killer is also there. What is that one? They are using one sound, that means infrasonic sound they are using, and that sound is very annoying for the all kind of animals. So as a result of it, they won't be present in your home. That one is also one kind of way. And the thing is there, the different garbage, that means in our from our household, what the waste thing we are getting daily, those things you never should throw here and there. And the thing is there, always throw it in a covered dustbin. Sometimes it happens we are throwing them in dustbin, but the dustbin should have the cover, otherwise the different flies, house flies, they will simply sit on them. Afterwards they will carry the germs to our house. So that one is also one way. And the thing is there, put wire means on doors and windows to prevent insects from entering the house. That means you can use the wire nets just like the mosquito net is it. And the thing is there, if you will use them, they are not able to enter through your window. And you can use them in the door also. But on that time, you also have to take care that anything should not be present inside your home. It happens that so many garbage is present inside your room. So what the thing you have to do? You have to clean your room daily. You have to use the mosquito net or the wire mesh in the door and the window. The different kind of pesticide killers are available. You can spray them. You can use the mouse trap to catch a mouse, and the different kind of disinfectants, phenyl you can use, and don't let the water be stagnant. That one is very important thing for the mosquito breeding, because mosquito are not able to breed in normal way. If there is any stagnated water, only there it can breed. That is the reason. So if you will be careful, then your surrounding also will be clean and neat. So what do you want? Do you want to be a good child? So you have to look into this all the things. And the thing is there, do you know one thing? Lizard. So is it one unwanted animal? Yes, unwanted, but it helps us a lot. Yes, it helps us a lot because it is eating the different insects. Suppose in your home one cockroach is there, but you are not able to do anything. It is able to do. The lizard, what it will do? It can eat the cockroach. Not only the cockroach, different kind of unwanted animal it is also able to eat. So these are the one helpful unwanted element. That means the lizard is a useful pest as it helps us by eating insects. It can eat the insects. Is it? So next I will tell you about the words, what the things you have to remind. So shelter. Shelter means a place giving protection from the weather and danger, and the enemies also. So that one is called the shelter, where you can stay peaceful. That one is the shelter. Next, the nutritious. Nutritious means healthy. Nutritious food means healthy food. It should be good thing. That means the nutrients should be more. Is it? Next, the garbage, rubbish or waste. That means in our daily life we are using lots of things, and afterwards, that means after cooking, we are getting so many waste like this. So garbage is one kind of waste. And the breed, produce young ones. That means the mosquitoes, the breeding. Breed means whenever any small species will come, they will get birth. Is it? So that one is called, that process is called the breeding or the breed. Now I will tell you the full lesson once. Now I will tell you the full lesson once at a time. Pet animals are those which are kept at home for our pleasure. Is it? So pets are, who are the pets? We are keeping them in our home for our own pleasure, not for any benefit of them. Next thing, some animals are domesticated and are kept or raised in farms. They are called the domestic animal. They are anyhow helping us. And the thing is there, we should take care of pet and domestic animals also. We should provide them good food, nutritious food. We should provide them one clean shelter, and the thing, mosquitoes, spiders, house flies and cockroaches are some common house pests. So those are the common house pests. We have to make them away from us. So if you will follow these rules, then you can keep them away from you. And one more thing is there, write the ways in which you can take care of a pet. So if you have one pet, how would you look into it? So you have to write few lines, that means 5 or 6 lines you have to write. Is it so different ways you have to write? How can you look into it? So all of you complete your homework in your workbook. From your workbook you should complete that portion and go through the lesson and be prepared for our online exam.